It was a traffic stop turned shootout on I-40 when a state police officer was ambushed as she walked up to the passenger side window. It was amazing she was only shot in the hand. Here's News 13's Jackie Kent with the frightening police video.
Lizzie, this footage gives us a better idea of what led to the shooting back in September and how the officer eventually tracked down the suspect while she was hurt. A state police officer at a traffic stop doesn't even reach the passenger window before 3 shots ring out from the pickup truck stopped on I-40 near Laguna. The state police officer fires back as the shooter speeds away, hitting his cab window. Right before this, the officer had pulled over the suspect, Robert Nelson. For tailgating a trailer we later learned his parents were driving across the country. After all the commotion, Officer Sharon Duran described what happened.
I fell back because he hit me. I went like that.
I aimed at the headrest and started to fire my weapon.
After returning fire, she chased down Nelson for a few miles, bloodied hands on the steering wheel.
Oh! She chased him, and then for some reason he pulled over and just put his hands up.
This time, she kept her distance from Nelson.
I want you to walk towards me with your hands up. You move, I will shoot.
More police officers arrived to put Nelson in cuffs, and he wasn't offering any explanation for what he did.
I'll wait for my lawyer.
As officers searched Nelson's truck, they found the gun.
Over on the seat, cat inside.
Along with his cat in a crate right under the line of fire. Meanwhile, Nelson's father, who had circled back to the scene, couldn't believe what his son had just done.
I'm just thankful the officer's okay.
She's gonna live. She's been shot, though.
Stupid kid.
This, as the officer tried recalling everything that had happened.
I rubbed myself to the hospital. I've been hit in both hands.
The federal search warrant also suggests she was shot in the chest, but the bullet was stopped by her bulletproof vest.
Just throw those in my mouth.
A formal interview later on reveals part of her motivation for fighting through the pain.
And I'm not gonna let this person take me away from the family and the people that I love.
Jackie Kent, KRQE, News 13.
The federal search warrant says Nelson gave himself up after shooting the officer because he called his parents while fleeing to tell them what had happened. His dad told him to pull over. Lizzie, back to you.
Okay, Jackie, it's still unclear why Nelson shot at the officer. Investigators say he doesn't have a criminal record and he was not wanted for anything.